Tired of logging into 5 different apps just to post the same content? What if you could post once and let a tool publish it everywhere? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, LinkedIn, all in one go? In today's video, I'll show you the best software to post on all social media at once, step by step. Whether you're a content creator, coach, or marketer, this will save you tons of time and make your content go further. Everything I show you today can be tried for free. Check the link in the description to get started. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description to go to the sign up page. Once you're on the site, click the Start Free Trial button in the top right corner. A page will appear where you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whatever's easiest for you. With the free trial, you'll get 14 days to use the platform. During that time, you can publish up to 10 videos or audios to your favorite social platforms, completely free. Once you're in, you'll land in the dashboard. And that's where the real magic starts. Let's move on to the setup. Step 2. Connect your social media platforms. From the dashboard, go to the Connections tab. Click Add a Connection and select your source, e.g., TikTok, Instagram, or a podcast feed. Then link your account. Then add your destinations like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, or Google Drive, and link your account again. You can connect multiple platforms at once. Step 3. Create your workflow. Now let's create your first automation. This is the key step that tells the platform where to grab your content from and where to send it. After connecting your social media platforms, click on Create Workflow. You'll be asked to choose a workflow type. For most people, start with Repurpose Future Content. This means anytime you upload new content, it'll automatically get published elsewhere within 2 hours. Next, choose your source platform. This is where your content is coming from, e.g., Instagram. Then choose your destination platform, where you want the content to be posted, e.g., YouTube. Once both are selected, click Create Workflow. Boom. You've just automated your first social media posting workflow. Use the content calendar inside Repurpose to schedule posts at the perfect time for each platform. Ready to stop posting manually and start posting smart? Click the link below, sign up, and try it out for free. It's honestly one of the best tools I've found for automating content, and it's super beginner friendly. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. I'll reply to everyone and help you get set up. See you in the next one.